This Upstreman 7.7 cubic feet double door refrigerator is designed for apartments, dorms, and office spaces where compact size meets large storage capacity. It features a sleek black finish and smart interior layout that maximizes space efficiency while delivering strong cooling performance, adjustable temperature control, freezer storage, and energy-efficient operation for everyday food preservation and convenience. User-friendly design. Check the description for price, and click the Amazon link at the end. It offers 5 precise temperature settings, allowing users to control cooling from fresh produce storage to deep freezing, suitable for different food types, and keeping ingredients fresh longer while preventing frost buildup. And the separate freezer compartment delivers reliable performance for meats, frozen meals, and ice storage, making it a practical solution for household and office refrigeration needs. With compact, efficient design and daily convenience, assured reliability performance. Easy use, daily operation, guaranteed quality. Operating at an ultra-quiet 39 dB level, this refrigerator ensures minimal disturbance, making it ideal for bedrooms, study rooms, or shared spaces, while its removable shelves and crisper drawer allow flexible organization of groceries, fruits, and beverages, and the reversible door design adds installation convenience by adapting to any room layout, giving users more freedom in space management and enhancing overall usability in compact living environments, perfect for small homes, offices, and dorm rooms. Useful appliance. This refrigerator is a reliable and stylish choice for anyone seeking space-saving design without compromising performance, offering efficient cooling, flexible storage options, and low energy consumption, making it suitable for students, professionals, and small families who need consistent food preservation. And its modern look blends easily with any interior decor while ensuring long-lasting durability and user-friendly operation for everyday convenience and satisfaction. Great value, compact appliance for modern living, highly recommended by now today.